everyone, my name is Linda Huff, and for my behavior observation project, I chose to observe Anna's hummingbirds out here in Tempe, Arizona, more specifically around ASU campus. The Anna's hummingbird in Tempe seem to like to come out early in the mornings to gather nectar. I believe they come out in the mornings because it is extremely hot in the day and they do not want to spend energy flying under the sun looking for food. At my apartments on the 5th floor is an outdoor community deck. There are some cacti with flowers, and that is where I first noticed the Anna's hummingbird. Daily, the small garden is filled with buzzing bees, but occasionally and very early, Anna's hummingbirds fly in as well. When I was on my observation walk one early morning, I was lucky enough to spot an Anna's hummingbird up in the trees. It is not often a hummingbird is sitting and resting, but this little bird was on a branch cleaning themselves up. Next to the Anna's hummingbird, you can see a large crow perched on a branch. The Anna's hummingbird seems to be cleaning itself as it is pecking itself all over its body with its long beak. There is a fountain on Tempe campus that still has water in it, so maybe the bird had a bird bath with water and is cleaning itself more in the shade. The 4 levels of analysis that I am focusing on for my hypotheses are causation, development, evolution, and function. I hypothesize that Anna's hummingbirds are coming out more frequently because there are less people on campus. Hundreds of students and staff walk all throughout campus from sunup until sundown during pre-pandemic times. This article by Dalsgaard 2009 shows a relationship between different hummingbird beak lengths and the flowers that are being pollinated. The hummingbirds like to return to the same area and enjoy the environment. They know flowers are there, and I believe the Anna's hummingbirds are returning to ASU Tempe campus because they know fresh flowers are here with nectar. Earlier in the semester, I mentioned I saw a mom and a baby hummingbird. The baby hummingbird was significantly smaller and followed the bigger hummingbird very carefully. Seeing this, I think the baby hummingbird will use the same flight path and search the same areas for food when it is an adult. I found this article by Black 2017 that shows children learning is like that of a hummingbird, always moving, pollinating, and observing. Just as humans, children follow their parents and parents' habits, the baby hummingbird will follow its parents' path that it showed it. I have yet to see a bright-colored Anna's hummingbird. The bright-colored ones are males, and the gray or green Anna's hummingbirds are females. The Anna's hummingbird is the only female hummingbird to have red on their body. I read this in the article by Meadows 2012 that as hummingbirds of both sexes age, they lose the shine to their color. Having a bright color is not good when it comes to male-to-male competition. The duller colored males were said to win more competitions and be more aggressive to the bright colored males. However, the bright colored males get to mate more and reproduce more offsprings with their genes, so the bright color continues on in generations. Along with males being bright colored to attract female mates, they also sing in hopes of attracting a mate. Males that can chirp or sing the best attract the most mates and have their genes passed off to more offspring. The vocal cords are there for every bird, but these Anna's hummingbirds must learn to control their vocal cords and sing well. This article by Clark 2018 shows males learn songs and the next generation learns from them, so the songs never fade. These hummingbirds never fail to amaze me. They teach songs to the next generation so they can mate and survive better.